अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना भारत जननी तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदी वन गणनाते जय हे रस ऋषि गणनी।
आप अपने लिए और पेरेंट्स के लिए और पेरेंट्स से कहूंगा अपने बच्चों के लिए जोरदार ताली बजा दी। बेंगलोर बहुत बढ़िया। आप सब जो इंजीनियरिंग और मेडिकल में सिलेक्ट हुए हैं उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। एज ए टीचर सबसे बड़ी दौलत यही होती है कि जब बच्चों का कैरियर बनते हुए दिखते हैं, जब उनको मेडिकल में या इंजीनियरिंग में सेलेक्ट होते हुए देखते हैं तो बड़ा अच्छा। सफल डॉक्टर होना एक अलग बात है। हमारे कोटा शहर में डॉक्टर बहुत है लेकिन हर डॉक्टर सफल नहीं है। ऐसे ही इंजीनियर होना एक अलग बात है लेकिन सफल इंजीनियर होना एक अलग बात है। अब्दुल कलाम होना एक अलग बात। तो मैं आपसे बच्चों यही कहूंगा कि अच्छी पढ़ाई करें लेकिन फाइनली जब फील्ड में आके काम करें तो कुछ ऐसा काम करें कि अपना नाम, अपने परिवार का नाम, संभव हो तो अपने शहर का नाम, और संभव हो तो अपने राज्य का नाम, और ज्यादा संभव हो तो अपने देश का नाम, और अगर और ज्यादा संभव होता है कई लोगों के लिए तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में ऐसा कुछ काम करें कि ये दुनिया आपको याद करे कि कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति भी है।
Our little daughter of Alan. A big round of applause. Chaudhary sir, our Chief Academic Officer and President of Talent Career Institute, felicitating Mr. Zahir Abdul Aziz. Can we have a big round of applause? These students, they just don't crack exams, they shatter records and they deserve a better round of applause.
1078 and got place in IIT Roorkee.
Of persistence, passion and just a little bit of math magic. Big round of applause for all these achievers.
13-14 years back, where I was facilitating one of these events in another institute in Kerala. I want to thank Ellen community for having me a part of this program and also helping thousands of students. Mahesh was saying that this year we led 350 plus students into IITs. Congratulations, obviously, to all of you, your parents, your uncles, your grandparents, your cousins, everyone who has been involved in helping these extraordinary young people to arrive at this moment. To clear the air, I graduated from IIT Bombay 2016. In Powai had this culture of a lot of startups coming in. There was a lot of internet hub. It was called Powai Valley back then, housing.com, Tiny Owl, etc. I met Akhil and Amit there. I joined this group of extraordinary young people, 14 people team building the future of real estate, helping India find home without brokerage. That's where we built a bunch of things, specifically addressing challenges in house hunting. It was disruptive back then because it was impossible to imagine finding a home without a broker. As of today, we are a 5,000 people strong company. We are the only unicorn in the country, and for the students out here, Unicorn is a company with $1 billion valuation. We connect to 100,000 plus users every day on our platform. Today morning when I was checking the traffic on the platform, we had 60,000 users actively finding homes.
Nanda Das, JEE Mains, 878 rank, KSET 436 ranks, and JEE Advanced 1471, and got place in IIT Guwahati. Congratulations, parents.
The tables have turned. Now the parents are known by the names of their kids, which used to be the reverse few years back. That's the destination for these kids. It's a way of life, and they flaunt this way of life. A big round of applause for these toppers, for these kids.
Aditya Ramesh, who got the JEE Mains rank of 146.
I am Mahesh Yadav, Vice President of Ellen Career Institute South India Center and Zonal Head. Today we are celebrating SOPAN 2024. In this event we are felicitating the student who secured All India JEE Advanced Good Ranks and the NEET Good Ranks. So all the students who achieved the Advanced Best Rank and Medical NEET Best Rank, they are here and we are distributing the cash reward to them. So for these students, we are distributing almost 52 lakh rupees as a cash reward in today's event.
I scored 715 in NEET and my AR is 38. I'm currently doing my first year MBBS in JIPMER Puducherry. I studied in Allen, Chennai for 2 years.
Chennai supported it.
This is all possible because of my own effort, my parents' effort, and because of Allen faculty. They were always there to guide me through the entire process and they were always there to clarify my doubts and give me the support I needed to practice.
Jadapalli. I have secured an All India rank of 36 in JEE Advanced and I've been studying in IIT Bombay. Allen provided a very dependable system on which I could rely on and actually do my JEE journey. The teachers were very helpful and cleared all my doubts and helped me to secure the college I'm in.
Abhinav, I secured All India rank 80 in the JEE Advanced examination and I'm in IIT Delhi now. Allen provides us with the best teachers that I could ever hope for. All our teachers are masters in their subjects and hence with the help of their expertise, I was able to secure good ranks.